Hello everyone. Today I am going to share my experience of buying an iPhone 11 from Amazon Great Indian Sale Festival, which was recently held. And this, as you know, this was the best time to buy an iPhone 11, especially from Amazon, which was selling for just 45,000 rupees for the 64 GB. I got this phone at the price of 45,000 rupees, which included the 3,000 rupees cashback using HDFC credit card. So I ordered this on 16th of October as I was a Prime member, and the offer started from 16th for the Prime members, and for the rest of them it started on 17th. Even though I'm a Prime member, I got this phone delivered to my house on 23rd of October. So like you have seen many of the videos on YouTube saying that Amazon is doing fraud and sending fake iPhones for the customer. So I just thought let me just share my experience of buying an iPhone 11 in this festival season. At first, when I saw a video on YouTube of a person getting a fake iPhone 11 or a clone iPhone 11, I was worried about my order. So the first thing I did when the delivery guy came to my doorstep was I just opened the box which the phone came in front of the delivery guy, and I looked at the box. If you are an Apple user, you will certainly understand if the box is original or no, because the box the box in which the iPhones come are very premium in quality, and you can easily understand if it is a clone or an original one. So once I opened the package and I saw this box, this was a pretty good looking one. Even though both the box and the packaging of the box looked very genuine, I did not wanted to take any risk, so I opened the box in front of the delivery guy itself, and this was what I got. When I just opened it, the phone was in perfect condition, and it was wrapped in plastic at the front. You cannot see the plastic now because it was opened in front of him itself, because just to make sure that the phone was original one and not a fake one. So I'll just show you what all came inside the box. So this is the quick start guide and the SIM ejector tool, Apple stickers, everything was perfect. And I got a 5-watt power adapter, a genuine AirPods, and then lightning to USB-A cable. Back then when I opened the box, I just checked the phone to see if there is any kind of damage or any scratches on the phone, and for me it looked perfect, and there was not a single scratch or any kind of damage on the phone. I have been using my phone since 4 to 5 days now, and I have not experienced any kind of issues till now. I also made sure that I go to my settings and check the warranty information of my phone. I also did that, and it said that the warranty was available till 25th of October. I have been ordering a lot of products on Amazon, and this was not the first one. I have also bought the green color iPhone 11. This phone was bought around 4 to 5 months back. This I purchased it for 62,000 rupees during then, and I have also bought an iPhone 10R. This I bought it on Flipkart. So if you want to know the experience on the Flipkart side, just let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I have been ordering a lot of products on Amazon, and I am happy that this phone also turned out to be very good. And I am really thankful for Amazon that it provided me this phone just at a price of 45,000 rupees. Along with this order, I also bought an iPhone 11 case. That too was also from Amazon, and this is the case. Here you can see. I'll just put it on and show it to you. This is a very sleek case. For people who do not like heavy and bulky case, they can go with this. I will link this case in the description below. If you want, you can just go ahead and purchase it from there. Like you can see, this is a very thin case, and it does not add any bulk to the phone, and it also lets you see the colors from inside. At the end, I would like to tell one thing. Before you are buying anything on Amazon or Flipkart, just make sure that the seller has a very good track record and has good reviews, and then only you proceed to buy and order that product from that seller. So, and once you get your phone delivered to your house, make sure that you open the phone in front of the delivery guy and also make a video of that, so that you can have a proof if something goes wrong. If you are happy with this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm dropping an in-depth review of the iPhone 11 pretty soon. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.